don't use the drum machine, but use virtual instruments. Here, I click on Studio Grand and go to one of the drum kits or drum pads. Choose your drum pad, and instead of using these keys here, we're going to go to MIDI editor. You can see we have a drum sequencer similar to the drum machine. Make sure you're back at 1 and double click to input notes. The great thing about using a virtual instrument is that you can zoom in and be much more specific about what you put into your drum machine. For example, I can place hi-hats on the beat, but then I can zoom in even more by pinching and moving my fingers to the side, and then I can grab the side of this MIDI note and drag it in. Then I can do that to this one. I can right click on it and copy it, move my cursor along a little bit, and put in multiple fast notes. I can then remove the snap to grid option and move them around even more. I can copy one more time and paste it here. I'm using Command C and Command V. Then when I zoom out, I've placed lots of little hi-hats here, much more complex than what I can do with the drum machine. Go back to the beginning and listen to this. So I get this really complex hi-hat that I can't do with the drum machine. Using the virtual instruments option gives me a lot more flexibility to make complex drum beats.